everybody, happy Sunday.
Hey, we want to give you a little quick video on what we've been up to for the last couple of weeks. It has been amazing and surprising for us.
Also, you're going to want to stick around because we have our fundraising auction, our annual auction coming up this Wednesday, and it is so cool. We've got a lot of really great, amazing things and some really cool donors to share with you.
And we also have a project that is open for the taking. It's for next year. You're going to want to watch. This is in a fantastic part of the country. It's incredible, and there's spots available.
So stick around.
Hey everybody, I'm Phil, and this is Shar, and we had a blast over the last couple of weeks.
Yeah, so we've done 2 rallies recently. We did the Escapees rally, and then we also did the Camp Winnebago, which is also known as the Grand National Rally. They were both awesome and fun, and we had a great time.
Yeah, well, we don't have a Winnebago. You're asking yourself, what were you guys doing there? I'll tell you that in a second, but we are in a Gulfstream Tourmaster. We are very proud of that, and they let us park on the rally grounds, but way in the back. Here's a picture of where we were. You can see where the arrow is. Didn't matter. We were able to plug in. Still had a good time.
Yeah, we were parked right across this Louisiana group. Oh my gosh, they're Southern hospitality. They fed us every single night. We had jambalaya. We had gumbo. They took great care of us, and even though we were in the back 40, we had a great time and met amazing people.
So why were we there? We have an app called CamperGigs. We mentioned that in our previous videos, but it's a map searchable app that allows you to find work camping, camp hosting, volunteering opportunities all over the country. It was kind of born out of a year to volunteer when we realized that those small nonprofits and those state parks didn't have a national way to really showcase what they have visually, so we created the app and we were selling it there. We had a little table right there in the vendor hall. We did that at Escapade as well, and it was amazing. We met a ton of awesome vendors. We met a ton of awesome people too.
We sure did. If you're a Winnebago owner, you probably know Howard and Caitlin from New State Nomads. That was the first time we had the opportunity to meet them. Great people. We love them. We follow them now, and we hope to see them again very soon.
Yeah, we saw some other great friends too, which was really, really cool. So if you got a Winnebago and you've never been to the Grand National Rally, get over there to Forest City, Iowa. It's a fun time in a small town and just a cool group of people to hang out with for the last week. Okay, now on to our auction. Boom.
Our auction is amazing. We have 20 great auction packages. We have things like RV Paws, electric bikes, Harvest Host, NRVTA packages. We've got 20 great packages, and we are so excited for you guys to help fundraise with us and buy into some of these great RV projects.
Yeah, so head on over. We'll put the link below on where that auction is going to be held. You can also go to our website, ayeartovolunteer.com, and see what's going on. We've got a thing called a rock pot that we posted on our Facebook page. If you haven't gone over to our Facebook page yet, A Year to Volunteer, you can head over there because we give more daily content on what we're doing. But rock pot, we've got an arrow garden. We've got this arrow garden thing that grows vegetables. This is an arrow garden. It's an LED low voltage powered little garden you can grow, a hydroponic garden you can grow in your RV. This thing is the bomb. We do basil. We do a lot of cool little products and stuff. Like, no, we don't do any of those kind of products, but we do a bunch of mint and things like that, dill and everything else. So that's going too. So definitely check on our auction because it's a $0 reserve. Everything that gets raised comes to us and our material and supplies. We don't pay ourselves.
No, we don't pay any salaries. We don't have any employees. Everyone's volunteers. Every penny goes to supplies and materials for the projects that we go to. It doesn't pay for any salaries or anything like that. It doesn't buy paper. It only
overhead.
goes. Yeah,
no overhead.
None of that. Nope, all to the stuff that you care about, which is the places that we're doing work at.
Yeah, so the auction is our annual auction. Thanks a lot for checking that out. And you can register at Give Butter. Again, the link will be below so you can start bidding. And that thing starts in, what, 3 days?
Yep, starts on Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and it will go all the way to Sunday night at 10 p.m. Eastern.
All right, the third piece of information we wanted to give you is about a project that we have coming up. We already kicked it out in our newsletter. If you haven't signed up for our newsletter yet, go to ayeartovolunteer.com, go all the way to the bottom, then subscribe. But this is a good project, and it starts next year.
Yes, so October 2025, we are going to Maryland. We're going to a lovely little place called Janes Island State Park, and we still have some space available for newbies and tubies. Now, if you've been on projects with us before, you know we always reserve spots for repeaters and for newbies, but please sign up even if you're a repeater, because we always have to tap into our wait list.
And if you're curious where Janes Island State Park is, it's on the Delmarva Peninsula on the eastern side of Chesapeake Bay in Tangier Sound. So it's actually on the Chesapeake Bay side, and it is a spectacular state park with a lot of water sports and activity. Just a beautiful park. So really want to see you guys come. We're not sure exactly what the parking arrangements are going to be, but you can bet whether it's boondocking or if it's a powered hookup site, it'll be a blast because we do campfire circles every night. It's a social environment. You're going to make a lot of friends, and if you're new to boondocking and it turns out to be a boondocking project, there's no better way to learn than with 15 of your newest family friends who can all jump in and help you as you navigate the hurdles of boondocking.
Hey, when it comes to boondocking, it takes a tribe, right?
Yeah, so we've had plenty of people who've showed up. We've never boondocked before, but we really are interested in learning, and this will be great. We even have spare generators usually. We
Water
always have
pumps, motors.
You learn about the tips and tricks and trades and stuff like that of boondocking. They will have a dump facility and water available at the state park, so it's not going to be an issue whatsoever.
So yeah, we've told you about the Winnebago Rally, we've told you about the auction, and we've told you about our upcoming project in 2025 in October.
Yeah, and we're going to keep up with our Maintenance Mondays. As we have them, we may skip a week or two here and there. We'll also talk to you about our Food and Fitness Friday. We're going to do a little bit of a geographic change for the next 3 to 4 weeks. We're going to tell you a lot more about that, but we're going to leave the coach for up to a month. If that's not a teaser, I don't know what that is, so keep watching.
What would take a month?
But thanks a lot for watching. Definitely give us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your family and friends.
And we will see y'all next week. Bye.
Bye.